Let's make some dal today. What we'll need is 2 cups of red lentils, 4 cups water, 1 teaspoon each salt, red chili powder, coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 4 green chilies, 1/4 cup chopped coriander, and 3 cloves of garlic. The first step is to wash your lentils in cold water until the water stops bubbling and runs clear. Then you want to keep this aside and turn on your stove on medium flame. Put a pot on top and add the lentils along with the turmeric, the red chili powder, the coriander powder, and the salt. Leave the remaining ingredients aside for now, and the only other item you'll be adding to this mixture is the 4 cups of water, and you're going to stir well. Then you're going to let this mixture cook for about 15 minutes on medium heat. You don't have to cover it, just let it be. Then you come back after 15 minutes. Your lentils are cooked and they look delicious to eat just like this. But hang on, you obviously want a better taste. So guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna prepare a oil mixture that we're gonna add to these lentils to give it that kick, that spice. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a pan, add about 1/4 cup of oil along with some garlic, which again is optional, the cumin seeds and the green chilies, and you're gonna stir fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once it's fried, the color will change to a light brown, and what you're going to do is add it to your cooked dal, just like this. Then stir well. Let this mixture cook for about 3 minutes. You'll see the dal starts bubbling, which is perfect. And at that point, you are ready to garnish it with your coriander, which will add some freshness and a great aroma to it. And at that point, you can serve it. You can eat it with naan, you can eat it with rice, or just by itself. I personally like to eat it with rice. It reminds me of my childhood, and this is the ingredients for you guys once again. Thank you for watching my first video. If you like this, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and tell all your friends.